uh, just go up and click view. Okay, and select view, and then select freeze pane, which is on the right hand side, in the middle. Freeze pane, just click that. Okay, and so if I because this column has been freezed, because I've just freezed that, so I can view the data more better, because I know the January is here, February, March, so I know the first row has been freezed, and so it's back and unfreeze. So I have just unfreeze, so it's not easier for me to read, like I don't know which month the data is off, so it's better to freeze the pane from the top. If I want to, I can just unfreeze that now, yeah. And if I want to freeze the first two columns, I will select the first two columns. I'll select the third column, and I will, if I want to, for example, freeze fifth column, okay, the first five columns, I'll click on five, and I will click on freeze pane. Okay, and if I go down, um, if I want to freeze first five columns, I will click on the sixth column. Okay, and I will click view and click freeze pane, and if I just scroll down, I can see that first five columns has been freezed and the rest hasn't been freezed. I'll just unfreeze that now. If I want to, if I want to, if I want to freeze the first column, what I can do is I can just click freeze first column. I can go to view and click freeze first column, and I'll just I can see that this column A has been freezed, and I can just view the data like this, or I can view it like this, data like this, okay, horizontally. I'll just unfreeze that now. I'll click back and unfreeze that now. um, I'll click to unfreeze panes and it will get unfreeze. I will just click, if I want to freeze the both the rows and the columns, I'll just click, I'll select a cell below the row, okay, and I will click freeze pane, and I can see that I have just freezed the top. I freeze this column A, I can see it horizontally. I have also freezed the number one row, if you can see one row. If I go down, I have freezed that as well. It's easier for me to read, okay, and I can just unfreeze this again,